What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here to talk to you about an exciting announcement we have. Josh and I have decided to collab together and bring you guys an 8-week lifestyle challenge. So our lifestyle challenge is not just a basic weight loss program where we give you a program and then we get you to take a picture with a newspaper at the end and then we pick a winner. This is all about this is all about teaching you guys lifestyle habits that you can use after the program and for the rest of your life.
So there's 3 options that you guys can choose from. All of them are pretty similar. So all of them consist of a training and nutrition program with like weekly updates, and the training program will be based upon like what you actually want to do in this 8-week challenge. So there's going to be a hypertrophy program, which is like muscle growth, strength, and weight loss. So that's the 3 options for the training program. So there's 3 packages that you guys can choose from. So option 1 has the training program and the nutrition program, also with 8 1-hour sessions with me in the gym, and I really highly recommend this one. That way we get some face-to-face time, and then I can make sure that everything's going well for you, and if you have any questions, and personal contact is the best way to do it, right? So, and also if you're not feeling certain exercises, or I can work on your technique and blah blah blah. Really highly recommend that one. And then there's another option that's 30 minutes per week. So it just depends on like what your schedule is like, if you can only fit in an hour or 30 minutes. And then the last one is just the training and nutrition program.
So everything has been heavily discounted for you guys to make it affordable.
Yeah, it's like seriously discounted.
For the price of one normal PT session, you're getting a whole program, weekly updates, 24/7 consultation, and the opportunity to win the prize. So yeah, it's
pretty fucking gnarly.
Yeah. We're also going to be doing a YouTube series that goes along with the challenge. So Josh and I will be competing in the challenge ourselves. Every Sunday, New Zealand time, we'll be releasing a video which will be basically detailing our training, our shopping, what we're eating. Also some of you guys following along the program with us. There's going to be prizes, as I just mentioned. We're working with a couple of sponsor opportunities, but there will definitely be vouchers, a supplement pack, 6 months of free nutrition coaching from me, and 6 free PT sessions with Josh.
Yep.
So as you can see guys, it's an awesome prize pack. Not just that, but the opportunity to learn off both of us and
our approach to
how we do things.
Yeah, it'll be quite cool. Like you guys will be able to see how we go about the 8-week challenge through the YouTube clips and stuff like that, and see how we actually, you know, what our lifestyles are like, pretty much. Because that, yeah, again, like that's the aim of this challenge that we're doing for you, is to just kind of, I guess, give back and leave a little mark in Palmy, and hopefully that you guys can create some cool lifestyle changes and some good habits.
And the prizes will be based upon not just your physical transformation, as is done in other 8-week challenges, but also your dedication to the program, your communication with Josh and I, your reliability in terms of your training sessions, in terms of doing your updates, in terms of just doing everything that we're asking you to do, and also, most importantly, your honesty. If there is slip-ups, just let us know.
Yeah.
Because I'm not your dad. I'm not going to give you a smack bum and send you to your room for going to McDonald's or for missing a training. Everybody's human. That's the idea, is we as coaches need to be able to work with you as clients and build a good relationship where we can help you reach your goals.
Yeah. So the entries close at 28th of August, and then we'll be starting on the 29th of August. If you guys want to email us, we've got a email down in the description box, and we'll also be posting that around our social media too. And then just flick us an email, let us know what you want to be doing and stuff like that, and then we can give you some details on what options that you want to be choosing, and then from there, then we basically get the ball rolling like straight away that next day when it closes. So definitely get your entries in.
For all inquiries, our email is in the description box below. Feel free to chuck us an email, or our social media tags are also there, so send us a message. We'll send you through some more information, and also can direct you in terms of what program we think is best for you, determining on what you really want to achieve in this 8 weeks. Alright, anyway, peace.
Peace. Please don't dab.